Hello everyone, my name is Rick Darlington. Today I'm show you a total of 7 solutions to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. I suppose this should be the most comprehensive solutions right now online about how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. I will introduce a total of 7 methods. Now let's get to the point. The first one is called the iTransfer WhatsApp. This is a very efficient tool, and it could let you transfer your WhatsApp data, including the messages, photos, videos, and other kinds of the documents from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android, as well as from iPhone to iPhone and Android to Android. It's very easy to use, and one of the key advantages for this tool is that it could let you transfer WhatsApp messages without rooting your Android phone. In addition, you could also use it to select the specific type of the WhatsApp messages to transfer in order to save time and also save the space on your iPhone device. The price for this product is the $29.95 for 1 month plan. As you can see, the interface is very simple. Let's just take a look at the simple steps. First of all, you just need to download and run the software, and then connect your Android and iPhone devices to the computer. After that, remember to set your Android device as the source and the another iPhone device as the target device. Then just click on the transfer button to begin the WhatsApp transfer process, and it will just spend on the time spent for WhatsApp transfer will depend on the amount of the data you needed to transfer. Apart from WhatsApp transfer, this application also lets you back up some WhatsApp messages to your computer in case you accidentally delete some important messages in the future. Then you could also use it to restore the WhatsApp backups to your iPhone or Android device directly, very simply. Now the second software is called the Ductful WhatsApp Transfer. The features are very similar to the first one. For example, you could use it to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, from iPhone to Android, as well as from the iPhone to iPhone or from the Android to Android. The price is a little bit cheaper, charge you $21.95 US dollars per year. And this is the interface. Just connect your devices and begin the WhatsApp transfer process. Now let's just move on and look at the third one, called the icann phone for WhatsApp transfer. This application could also let you transfer WhatsApp messages without root or jailbreak. And you can use it to transfer WhatsApp from chats between iPhone and Android devices. Apart from that, you could use it to move other social applications such as the Viber, WeChat, and Kik from Android to iPhone. The price is a little bit cheaper. It costs $19.95 US dollars for 1 month plan. And the how-to steps also given in this post, which seems very easy to use. Now, another software about WhatsApp transfer is the mobile chat. It's interesting to note that apart from transferring WhatsApp from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android, this tool also lets you transfer other kinds of the messages, such as the contacts, calendars, as well as the photos, videos, or some notes, bookmarks from one phone to another. So it's really amazing. The price will be US dollar 29.95 for per year subscription. Now let's just go ahead to the next one, which is called the backtrace Android WhatsApp to iPhone transfer. Many there people online just also recommend this WhatsApp transfer tool and say that it's a wonderful tool to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. It could also let you transfer WhatsApp data directly from one device to another. The price is a little bit cheaper, cost you 19.95 US dollar for personal edition. Now another one is the Jiho software WhatsApp. It could let you transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, but please note that you need to root your Android device when you use this software tool to transfer data from Android to your iPhone device. Now, the 6 applications I just mentioned above are all the paid versions. If you want to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone for free, then you may perhaps could consider the email chat solution, but it's actually very difficult to operate, especially if there are so many WhatsApp messages that need to be transferred. Now, there are some other questions that perhaps you are interested in. The first is, can we transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android for free? The answer, unfortunately speaking, is no, because right now the iOS and the Android system is not compatible with each other, which means the official solution is not available right now. And another question is that can we use the WhatsApp migrator tool to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone? Also, sorry, you can't use it to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, but you could use it to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android. So now that's all the solutions I just want to emphasize today for all of you, and I hope you could download the softwares one by one and choose the best one for your demand.